Honey, money, honey. What up with the YouTube? It's your boy Big SAA7 and I'm here to tell you how to make $1,000 in a 3 days. How to make $1,000 in 3 days, how to make $10,000 in a month. Let's get it on. First thing first, go subscribe. If you already not subscribed, go subscribe. Cause I can't tell y'all everything in one video, literally. So go subscribe right now before we get along with the video. Go, this is my food. Oh, I'll tell you it's up. But look though, go subscribe. But today, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make some money without a job. You hear me? Without a job, but you still gotta work. That's the only bad thing about it. So hopefully y'all ain't come on here thinking, you know, cause everything you gotta put in work for anything you do, more or store. You know what I'm saying? So this is all I mean when I say that. So shit, let's get to it. Oh, you hear me? So I'm finna tell y'all how to use this paper with no job. $1,000, 3 days, $1,000 in a week. For most people, if you're a beginner, start off small. Don't even start off with 1,000. My bad. Start off 500 a week. If you follow my steps, you gon' get the money for sure. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no question about that. I'm sure. Alright, so first thing first, what I need you to do is think about why you need the money, when you need the money, what you gonna do to save and stash this money. Because this is the number one thing. If you can't save and put money up, you fail. You done. You done. I can give you $1 million right now and that shit, you done. I'm gonna tell you straight up. But I'm gonna teach you how to get the money though. I ain't gonna even get into that. Alright, so boom. Think about when you need the money, why you need the money, etc., etc. Don't try to do nothing exactly you see somebody else doing. Now, don't get me wrong. When it comes to making money, you can definitely make money doing the same shit somebody else doing. But that's if you can do it. So boom. Get straight to it. You got no job. You a young little hustler. Alright. Wake up in the morning, you stay in the neighborhood, everybody stay in the neighborhood, you stay somewhere. But if you know you stay on outer space, you got some. So boom. You go cut some grass. If you get 5 yards a day, charging $25 that day. Mind you, you got 5 days, Monday through Friday, 7 days in a week. We're gonna break it down, Monday through Friday. Out of them 3 days, if you do 5 yards each day, and 3 days is 25, 50, 75, 100, 125. 25, 125, 250. You're at 250. 250 right now. That's the 2 days. And your next day, you'll do it all over again. What is the third day? You at $400. Alright, boom. Put that up. Put at least $200 up. Spend $200 on equipment. Spend $200 on somebody to help you, cause why? You finna go build your clientele some more. Alright, that's how this gonna go. I ain't gonna stay on the same type for long. You gonna do this type shit. You hear me? Resell. This for if you got money already. If you got a job, you trying to quit your job, you hear me? Resell. You can resell clothes, you can resell anything. I resell right now. I resell watches, jewelry, anything you need. I
Yo,
just, matter of fact, I'm putting a video right
that
here.
boy Savage. You see,
I'm gonna
he
show
gonna
you.
get you right.
Alright.
He gonna get
Reset,
you right
when it comes down to reset, you gotta find
every
something
time.
that the people in your community for
That
you.
AP on that
So
boy.
they get on the internet, you find a vendor. You don't gotta get on the internet. They probably got a local vendor in your area, but if you don't look, you won't find shit. Find a vendor, buy the shit for 75% less. Everything has the shit somewhere that's getting sold for 75% less. You come back, you sell the shit, you make a 50% profit. Anything. And just like you can resell clothes, you can resell furniture, shit, jewelry, fucking just anything. So that's another thing. Alright, boom. I'm gonna go deep into the resale because a lot of people may be interested in this. You have no job. You find on Craigslist, Facebook Market, Mercury, all these places, they give away free shit. From free beds, free dressers, tables, chairs, all that shit. What you do, you get that, you revamp it. You buy you some wrap off Amazon for $2. You buy the shit, you have the shit, $2, Amazon ship the shit. You got an old dress, that bitch was old dress, might as well. You wrap that bitch, bedazzle it, make it look nice, put it on Facebook Market, $75. Boom. You keep doing that, you keep doing that, you keep doing that. They just want to resell, it's another resale method. You gotta look into this shit, you gotta actually do it. You hear me? You got a car, Uber, DoorDash, Amazon, all this shit is free, my nigga. All that's free stuff that the world give you. You know what I'm saying? Upwork Freelancer. Upwork and Freelancer is a website you go on. You can go work for somebody else. But you ain't doing the work. You doing something you good at. Say that you like to write books. You like to create cartoons. You like to edit videos. You even like to help people in general. These people need help. It's so many people in the world and they all can't do it on their own. You gonna help an old person. Yo, you got a neighbor and they old. 9 times 10 they need help. You should sign yourself up for all the shit that they need help with right now. This mostly for the young. Boom, alright y'all, so look, I had to smash the shit, I was hungry, look. So boom, make sure y'all study y'all vendor. First, find the lane you want to be in. Something you like, something you want to do. It's like cars, you can really go buy a car off Facebook Market for $1,000. Get that bitch, but this is gonna take at least 3 months. Fixed up on it, don't spend no more than another $1,000 on it. Wrap it, wrap costs no more than $500. Automatic sell it for plus $1,500. You know what I'm saying? So you bought it for $1,000, sell it for $3,500. You good. Make sure you find your vendor. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Subscribe because it's only part 1. On part 2 of the video, I'm gonna let y'all know my vendors. This from jewelry. I know lash, they got lash vendors on there for the girls. Hair vendors, shoes, AirPods. Man, they got everything you see. Where you think the people in the store getting their stuff from? But y'all just rather go to the store, huh? I ain't gonna say nothing though. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, you hear me? Big Savage ass in, out.
Like what you mean? Like what you own? Like what you mean? She on my track cause I got motion. Like what you need is booty.